stuff. Yeah. Yeah. This one right here. I dedicate this one right here to everybody out there. You dig? Check it out. Now I ain't trying to be the greatest. I used to hate hip-hop, yep, because the women degraded. But Too Short made me laugh. Like a hypocrite, I played it. A hypocrite, I stayed, though I only recited half. Omitting the word bitch, cursing, I wouldn't say it. Me and Dog couldn't relate till the bitch I dated. Forget my favorite word for hers and hers alike, but I learned it from a song I heard and sort of like. Yeah, further ice and glamorized drug dealing was appealing, but the block club kept it from in front of our building. Gang the rap-based filming became the building blocks for children with leaking ceilings, catching drippings with pots, coupled with compositions from Pac. Nas as it was written in the mix with my realities and feelings, living conditions, religion, ignorant wisdom, and artistic vision. I began to jot, tap the world and listen. It dropped. My mom can't feed me, my boyfriend beats me. I have sex for money, the hood don't love me. The cops wanna kill me, this nonsense built me, and I got no place to go. They bomb my village, they call us killers. Off they welfare, can't afford they healthcare. My teacher won't teach me, my master beats me, and it hurts me. I had to get a boy bop, a Jay-Z boycott, cause he said that he never prayed to God, he prayed to God. I'm thinking godly, God guard me from the ungodly. But by my 30th, watching the streets, watching, I was back to giving props again, and that was bothering. But it's uncomfortable as an untouchable touch you. The theme songs that niggas hustle to seem wrong, but these songs was coming true, and it was all becoming cool. I found a condom on the ground that Johns were coming to, and thought what constitutes a prostitute is the pursuit of profit. Then drop it, the homie in a suit, pat her on the butt and rock it. It seems I was seeing the same scene, adopted, prevalent in different things, with the witnesses indifferent to stop it. They said don't knock it, mind your business. His business is a mind, that nigga pimpin' got it. They took my daughter, we ain't got no water. I can't get higher, that cross on fire. We all got suspended, I just got sentenced, so I got no place to go. They threw down my game,